So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Haji Azinon, and my student ID is 2024-783-265. So, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create an elegant origami swan. Origami, the art of paper folding, is a wonderful way to express your creativity and mindfulness. So today I will guide you to the whole process of transforming a simple square piece of paper into a beautiful origami swan. This project is perfect for beginner and those who are looking to refine their skill. So let's get started. First thing first, you need is a material, one square piece of paper. 15 centimeter is ideal, but any size will do. And then first step, create the initial fold. You have to start with the square paper, and if the paper has only one side is color, just like this, put the color at the bottom, and then fold the paper in half diagonally to form a triangle to ensure the corner align perfectly and crease it well. You make the triangle first, but you have to make sure the all lines are aligned perfectly and crease it well, just like that. Alright, now fold the paper, unfold the paper, and then take the right tip, the bottom right tip, into the center, bring it to the center, and make it another triangle. But make sure it perfectly aligned. Alright, so first step is clear. Then you do the same on the left side. Just take the tip of the left side and bring it to the center, just like that. Alright, the bottom tip is very tricky, so you have to be very careful. Right, finish the first step, and then move on to the next step is turn it over, and then we do the next step is exactly the same. Take the right tip and bring it to the center. This fold is to reinforce the first fold, right? To reinforce it, to make it a little bit stronger, just like that. We take the right tip, bring it to the center, and you have to remember that it has to be perfectly aligned, right? Then we do the same on the left side. Take the left tip, and then bring it to the center, just like that. Make sure it all perfectly aligned, just like that. And then the next step is the head and neck. What you have to do next is you take the bottom tip, bring it forward, bring it to the top, and then crease it, fold it, and push it, and that's the marks of the fold. And for the head, you have to, you see the line here, the white, the line here, that's where you have to fold it to make it head, to make the head of the swan, just like that. And then the next step is you have to fold it in two. How you gonna do that? Just take the origami and then fold it in two, right? Just like that. And then you have to bring it forward a little bit, the body of the origami, and then you push it, you mark so it doesn't move in. That's for the neck. And then for the head, just do like the neck, and then you mark it so it doesn't move in. So there you have it. So now we finish our origami swan. So that's it for me. Thank you.